You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 25/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 25/12 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/-1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 25/3.